Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be blow drying my hair to prep before flat ironing so that way I can get these results. Keep watching. I am starting out on wet, freshly washed hair. So in this video, I am using this Revlon brush blow dryer on my wet hair instead of hair that was already dry like I did in my other video. And this video actually came before that one. So this was taken, I'm embarrassed to say, last January. So yeah, that's why my hair is a little shorter than the last one. You'll also notice that this way is a little less effective, which is why I was using this regular blow dryer and the tension method, and then I went back in with the brush one afterwards to help stretch it out quicker and make this process a whole lot easier.
Surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii.